Did you know that you can run a powerful AI model completely free on your PC? You don't need any subscriptions, API keys, no internet, and no one is going to see your messages. So this is Google's Gemma 4 and it's honestly crazy good for something that costs nothing. And in this video we are going to look how you can set this up, install it in just a couple of minutes. So firstly we are going to use lmstudio, which makes this whole process a lot easier than using maybe Ollama, because we are not going to use any terminal and any commands, stuff like that. So we are just going to click around and let me show you how. So firstly, you want to search for lmstudio download and you want to find official site, which is lmstudio.ai, and you want to choose your operating system. So currently I have macOS, but you can choose Linux or Windows, and then simply download this. After it's downloaded, you just want to install it simply on your computer. So if you are using Mac, you want to drag this to applications. If you are on Windows, just double click on it and continue with next steps. So we can get started. And in the beginning, it is going to ask you for your first model. So you can see currently the Gemma already here, but you can also skip this for now and we can choose from our own Gemma model, which we want to use. So here, this is how it should look. And if you click on this icon, model search, you can open this and here you can see all Gemma 4 models. If you don't see the Gemma 4 right away, you can simply search for it. And here we can see all of the models. So as you can see, I have this first one, which is E4B. So this is the version the most people is going to probably use, and I would recommend starting with this one because this E2B is like more tinier and can make maybe some mistakes. This is more like for maybe phones or older laptops if you don't have really high performance. So I would stick firstly with this one. You can test it and you will see how it will go. And then you can, for example, upgrade to another model. And if you have really like good computer, you have a lot of RAM, you can also as well use the 31B or 26B. And as you can see, for me, it's likely too large, and this also takes more space, but it can be a lot better than this first model. So I will choose this first one. And then you have also some download options. So if you click on this, you can see three options. So basically all of those three versions are the same model, same AI. The only difference is how the file is compressed, but there still can be some small difference in the answers. So I would stick with this Q4KM, this first one, which is the smallest file, which is 6 gigabytes. For everyday use, it's just as good as the others, and it can also run almost on any computer. Maybe so if you have some kind of older computer, you can run this. So if I click on this and then download, it's going to download. After the download is completed, we can start using this. So for example, I can click on this use in a new chat, and it's going to open this chat with this Gemma 4 model. You can see the model over here, and if you are going to install some kind of other model, you can switch them here. And now let's say we want to try something, so I'm gonna try simply I. And we have turned this thinking mode, so it's currently going to think before the answer. So as you can see everything over here. We have some potential responses, so you can turn this off if you click on this. Now let's try something more difficult. And for example, I have this sales report file, which is PDF file, and I don't want to read this manually, and I want some simple summary of it. So what I can do, we can click on this plus icon, attach file, upload file, and here I'm gonna find it. Sales report file, I can open it and I can ask for some summary. I'm gonna hit enter and we are going to see how this model is going to process this. Now we can see the summary. So we have sales report summary based on the region. So this is the region West, and we can see total invoices processed. So there is 31 separate invoices. Estimated total revenue generated $800. We can see top sales highlights and product analysis over here. Then we have also some customer activity overview and conclusion and recommendation. You can see it works pretty well. So this is going to be all for this video, how you can install Gemma 4 on your computer. It's completely free. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.